As we all know, last year was a difficult one and no one wants a repeat of that. The fact remains, however, that the concerns about the conduct of the superintendent have yet to be addressed. A serious leadership crisis was brought to your attention in July of 2014, and that crisis continues. We are aware that the board voted against an independent investigation last fall, but we believe the situation is not the same now as it was then for several reasons. There has been an overwhelming call for an investigation. Our members voted by 92% that they had no confidence in Dr. Marsloff's ability to lead the district with honesty, integrity, and professionalism. Our members voted by 94% that they had no confidence in the Board of Education's ability to lead the district in the same manner. The community also expressed their lack of confidence in how the board was dealing with this crisis in May when they failed to re-elect two incumbents. Last year's Board of Education chose not to take the concerns seriously, and we are hoping for a better result from the current board. You may have learned some new information since the concerns were originally brought to your attention last fall. We have spoken to Dr. Marsloff, and he indicated to us that he would also like to bring closure to these concerns, and that he would be open to the idea of an independent fact-finding review. We had the opportunity to discuss the process with him, and were able to address many of his concerns to set the parameters for a process that would include honesty, integrity, and transparency. The board's August response to this request stated, "The board is amenable to reopening this topic with the WTA to include an independent examination of the listed concerns in a manner on which all involved can agree once the ongoing legal proceedings are concluded." We take this change of heart as a positive sign. The statement from the board, however, is open to interpretation. We understand the reluctance on the part of the board to begin an investigation during Dr. Kirsch's 3020A hearing. We are willing to compromise on the timing of the investigation, despite the fact that we've been waiting for a resolution for over 13 months. But we would like to respectfully ask the board for a firmer commitment. By taking an official vote agreeing to a fact-finding review immediately at the conclusion of the ongoing 3020A hearing, this would eliminate the need to reiterate our request at each board meeting this year. It continues to be a priority that the concerns expressed by all stakeholders are addressed with honesty, integrity, and transparency, and it is our hope that you will help us achieve that. On opening day, Mr. Schubert expressed that the board is committed to maintaining the excellence of our school district. We appreciate that sentiment and look forward to the board taking action to that end. A commitment to an investigation by the board now will help to restore some of the trust that has been lost and help us all to move forward together so we can heal the divisions in the district.